Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. Got a lovely one for you here. Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade, so RR6, one of the last of the underseat exhaust models and well regarded as one of the best ones they ever did. It is just lovely. It's not molested, it's not played with, it's just as it left the factory. It's absolutely lovely. Really is clean and tidy. You know, given the age of the bike, it is absolutely lovely. It gives a bike 2 or 3 years older run for its money. Really good solid history. It's going to get a thorough service before it goes. It's only done 16,418 miles and it's going to have a fresh rear tyre on there. But really is absolutely lovely. Come with a steering damper, under seat pipes, so the 2 exits on the blade. It's got the seat cowl, it's got the seat. It is just lovely. Really is clean and tidy. You get the electronic steering damper, as I said, on these models. 16,418 miles. No ABS, no traction, no nothing. Just a proper raw bike. They're brilliant to ride of these. I'll give it a start for you. Sounds absolutely cracking, does that, and these are a brilliant bike to ride. It'll not hang around at this price, so give us a call quickly. Come down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or as I said, give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.